Framer tutorial, how to use Framer for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can get started with building amazing illustrations today with Framer. So if you want to build something amazing, make sure to check the link in the description box down below to get started. Now, once you click on the link down below, we can click on Start for Free to get started for free on Framer. And once you do that, this will lead you to your Framer sign up or login page. So you can continue with Google or your email address to get started with Framer. I'm just going to proceed with Google over here. Now, with Framer, it's really a very creative space where you can build anything that you desire. So this is Framer's dashboard. Once you create your account, you will see on the bottom left, you have your workspace. Then on the top right, you have your account information and all the workspaces that you have. You can go into a particular workspace and invite other people via a link. You can also invite them via email. You can add more members as well as add or edit the permissions that your members do have. You also have control over fonts and details of your workspace. Now, other than that, if you take a look at your all section, this will display all the art you have created. Now, if you're looking for some inspiration, you can go into the top left and click on community, which will give you access to the Framer community, which is an amazing place to get started at. So if you go ahead and take a look at some of the amazing creations that people have created, you can actually see there are competitions as well as remixing showcases where you can, see some of the top creations that are being built on Framer. Now, going back into our account, let's get started with building something of our own. So for that, click on New Project on the top right. And once you click on New Project, we will get started with our blank canvas. Now, first off, on the top, I will click on the untitled section and I will rename this into Creative Space. Creative Space. Now, this is a simple canvas. This is the size of 1200 megapixels and you can expand or decrease the size as you go. So if I want this to be 1000 by 1000, I can do that as well. That would be like a perfect square for maybe Instagram as well, like this. And then I can go ahead and alter our shape like this, but I'm going to keep it square. I think I like it. Now from here, if you click on over here, you can choose a particular size that it would fit at. So if I go for phone sizes, it would open up a new canvas for phone. If I go for tablet sizes, it's going to show me a canvas for tablets as well. And you guys can see we have, 3 different canvases. And this can be a great way to compress your designs and to be able to see the different visual elements you can create in a different space. But we're going to go back into our simple square and let's start building. So this is just a simple square right now. And on the bottom, you have different tools such as your night mode, day mode. You have your browser notifications, your comments, then you have your scrolling tool, and then you have your simple select tool. Now, this is just our simple little tool. And this is our simple canvas. You can build any canvas that you want. You can go on ahead and expand one canvas to another as well, like this. You want to connect it like that. And then we can build an interaction. So on maybe a tap with a 0.1 second delay, I want a push effect like this. And then we can build another canvas, but I think I'm going to go with this animation style. And then on the top left, you have different options. So you have menus you can build, you have content fields, media, forms, icons, interactive items, social items, utility-based items. Then you also have different frames, rows, columns. You have your basic layouts as well as project CSVs, but I'm going to go ahead and let's say we want to build a simple page. Now for that, we can go into prototyping and let's say we want to build a page. We're going to go with that and we can click this item over here. Going in, we're going to zoom in a little And once we have completed that, we can click on this, and on the right side you will see the position, the type, size, styles, page, as well as the stretch. So we can make it auto or stretch as well, like this. Then you have the content. So we have 0 items. We can click on add and then choose the content that we want to link from here. Then you also have your code overrides that you can build upon this particular canvas that you have created. Now, all of this is to say that you have a very broad and unlimited space to build anything that you want. So this is just on one axis. You can build this on multiple different fields as well. You can choose to connect it to any particular type of field where you want to display this particular canvas. Now, other than that, if we go into maybe simple elements that we want to integrate, so we can go into icon, and let's say we want to build some humans. So we can insert those, and then we can insert that over here. And if I go and zoom to fit like this, we have inserted this person. We're going to fit content. We can go into these styles and colors, and we can preview items as we go. But I think we want to create something with a bit more pizzazz. So let's link this, and let's link this person over here. And on click, I want them to be pushed into the next image. And we have the stiffness. So I'll make it super stiff. And then we have the dampening, we have the mass, we have the delay, like this. And now if I view this, so now it's a bit too stiff, so I can go ahead and re-edit how I want this to appear. Now after that, there is a lot you can add. Let's say on our second section we want to build an interactive slideshow. We can insert that into our second frame. So if you're building maybe like a mobile application, you're building something different. So let's say we want to connect this over here like so, and I'm just going to delete this one, but we can click on this over here, and on the right you have your slideshow items. You can click on connect and you can choose the items. Obviously these are going to be frames or content you've created in Framer. You can upload the content beforehand as well to add those slideshows. Now all of this is also very customizable in the form of your layouts, text, graphic tools, file editing, and more. Plus, if you go on ahead, you can always, invite other people into your content, and you can expand the content like this to be able to see how it would look like on desktop screens. So I hope you guys are able to now get started with some of the basics of Framer. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.